queen and are you the honey princess? Yes. And it was Elle's Las Vegas birthday, almost her birthday on Easter. So we celebrated a little early, didn't we? And we're gonna make Grandma's famous honey buttermilk pancakes, right? First we're going to have our ingredients out: flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt. And you can do real buttermilk or milk with lemon juice to sour it. I could not find any buttermilk in the store, so I'm going to use my food storage a little bit here and use the dry 1/4 cup of butter and of course Cox's honey and a couple eggs, just a couple eggs all you need. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to mix our liquid ingredients. So we have here our 2 eggs. You want to mix that? I'll stir, okay? And the next thing you're going to add, of course, this you have to add with the dry ingredients, and then you add your liquid in. And we got our butter. And we have, what else? Oh, honey. So we got a couple tablespoons of honey, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of honey. Oh, he's passing gas, isn't he? What happens when you have air in it?
You pass gas.
You do, yeah. That's all it is.
You are still your farts.
Okay, mix. We can do our dry ingredients, which is 2 cups of flour. Keep mixing. And 2 teaspoons of salt. Good job. And 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to add our buttermilk. Yes, I did it backwards, but you usually put the dry ingredients and then you add the water. Here, I'll help you a little bit, okay? So we mix this and then we're going to let it sit for a little bit till it bubbles. We stir it till we get most of the lumps out of it. If you want it more runny, you can add more liquid. And we're going to heat our griddle. I have this lovely griddle to 350, 375, and I'll show you how to cook it next. Look what Elle got for her birthday yesterday. What's the unicorn's name?
Crystal?
Crystal, yeah. So we're heating up our griddle to about 350, 375, which depends what you want. And I always check this like going like this, which I caught Elle doing because she knows how to do that. You can use an ice cream scoop if you want the kind, or I just use my little old handy that I've had since I was a kid to scoop out 1/4 the size. I use this to butter the griddle. Like I said, you can, so you're gonna put it on here. Seems like it's warm enough now. Oh, gotta wait for my light to go out. But you want to, on the griddle, make sure that it's browning on one side, not burning, so you don't want to have too high. And when it starts to bubble, that's when you know how to flip it. I check the bubbling, it rises up a little bit. There we go. So it's gonna be ready in just a minute. Did you find the bee? There's a bee somewhere here. Did you find it? Look around, stand up. Stand up and see if you can see the bee. Can you see it?
Look.
Is it right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Get this to me. Now, I want you to write below what you think this is used for.
Jacket.
Oh, you're giving them the answer. That's all right, though. So be sure to share this with other people and subscribe. And check me out on other social medias. I think we're ready. Our light's out. Here we go. And I'm going to have taste testers at the end here.
What taste tester?
You're the taste tester. You're going to tell me how they taste. You want to go get your brother and Ada and tell them we're ready to eat. Serve it with bacon. Everything's better with bacon, right? And fruit. We gotta have our fiber, right?
Is there 4?
There's 4. You can count. Great job. You know, I need to get your special day plate.
Happy birthday plate?
It's your special day plate. It's a happy birthday one. Everybody in our families use this. Even your daddy when he was a little boy. So we're going to put this right here so when they're ready. This one's starting to just about ready to flip. It's bubbling. You don't want it to burn, so we're going to flip it. Nice. Do this one
Crystal,
first.
don't touch it, Crystal.
Don't touch it, Crystal. You'll burn. That's right. There. All right.
Now it's
Have
black.
a sweet day, and we'll see you at the taste test.
Crystal, up now.
Hot pan. I'll get the bacon going, and I'll get the orange cut up. You want to go get your brother? Tell him we're ready to eat.
Crystal,
Wow, these rays are really nice.
no, do we there, Crystal?
How is it, Elle?
Good.
Thumbs up. All right. Nice. How the taste test went. Do you like the pancake? On a scale of 0 to 10, what would you give it? 10 being the best, 0 being the worst.